Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Screenflow 8. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur out things in your video. So if you have sensitive information like telephone numbers or client information or IP addresses, I'm going to show you how to blur those out using the callout properties in Screenflow. To use the callout property to add some blur, just drag the scrubber to where you want to add the blur. Select the layer that you want to add the blur on. Then you're going to come over here to the inspector panel. You're going to choose this fifth one here, the circle with the arrow. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Command 5 to jump right to it. Then you're going to click this button here that says plus action. You'll see here that a callout was added to the layer itself. Now we need to tell it what to do. In this little pop-out, I'm going to choose the square. Make sure that Freehand is selected. Now your cursor is going to turn into a crosshair. That means that you can draw out freehand shapes. So we want to blur this out, so I'm just going to draw a little bit over here. You can draw multiple things, so I can draw as much as I want here. You can see here that the background is really dark and these are being highlighted. That's a look that you might want. Or you can drag the opacity sliders down and just make it kind of blend in. Then we're going to use the blur sliders to blur out what we just drew in. So as you draw in, you see here that the blur is taking effect on these two. I can blur it all the way up, or I can just blur a little amount if you want it subtle. You cannot modify the shape once you draw them on, but you can add on as long as you see the cursor has that crosshair. You can go back and edit your callout at any time. Just select it in the timeline. You come up here, you can use the sliders if you want to add more blur, take some away. You can blur the background if you want to blur the entire thing. You can also use the zoom up properties if you want to bring some attention to these. So just play around with these. It'll gray out the ones that you can't use over here in the property panel. And if you want to make it a little bit longer, let's say that you want to hide your sensitive information for longer in the video, just select it. You can drag it out as long as you need. And that is how you use the callout properties to add blur in Screenflow. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.